Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this awesome work light. You can see it's super strong, but not only strong, it's also beautiful, versatile, even waterproof, super flexible with this 360 degrees gooseneck. Comes also with a super strong magnetic stand, so it has everything for the perfect work light. So I'm going to show you what you get, how to assemble, and then how you can use it. So here we have the box, so let's see what's inside. There are just few parts, so it looks pretty easy to assemble. So I guess that's the foot. It's nicely protected in the box, preventing from any damage during shipping. Power supply is also attached, so we just have to open that. Comes with a pretty long cable, couple of feet, really convenient. Power supply works from 100 to 240 volts, so has worldwide support. And so we move this protection here a little bit up, so it's not interfering with the cable when we attach the foot here. So we just screw it on with clockwise rotation. And so let's see how strong the magnets are. Yeah, we can see that. Oh, wow. It's almost impossible to remove that. Yeah, that's super strong. That's incredible. Yeah, I really have to pull super hard to remove it. And let's also see the gooseneck, how flexible this is. Yeah, you can see full 360 degrees rotation. Let's also plug it in. Yeah, very strong white light, which is perfect for working. I mean, it's not a warm light. This is not something which you want to have in your living room or so, but for working or let's say also grilling or so, this would be perfect. Very easy to operate with just one button, on, off. And it's IP68 waterproof, so absolutely no problem when we pour a little bit of water on top of it, you can see. And also really nice that the light is absolutely flat, protected to the side, so you can move it a little bit to the side. And so you have the perfect view. The whole light is just here in front of the light and nothing to the side, so you can fully focus on your work. So an absolutely awesome light, really beautiful, flexible, sturdy, so I can give you full recommendation. And so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.